Hi, I'm Gene Baur, President of Farm Sanctuary. For more than 25 years, we've been working to rescue farm animals from the factory farming industry and raise awareness. And the Walk for Farm Animals has been an important part of that since the beginning. In 2013, we're thrilled to host 40 Walk for Farm Animals events in cities across the United States and Canada. Farm Sanctuary rescues farm animals from cruelty, educates the public about the realities of factory farming, and advocates to change the world for farm animals. The funds raised through the Walk for Farm Animals help us care for animals like Merlin here, who was rescued from slaughter. And once the animals come to Farm Sanctuary, they're allowed to live out the rest of their lives in peace. Every walker will receive a Walk for Farm Animals t-shirt when they raise just $100 in donations. Participants under 18 get a shirt just for registering. The Walk for Farm Animals brings people together for a day of delicious food, music, engaging speakers, and a sense of community. There are also activities for your kids, and dogs are welcome too. The Walk for Farm Animals is a great way to join with other like-minded individuals in your community to speak out for a more compassionate world. From all of us at Farm Sanctuary, we hope you'll participate in this year's Walk for Farm Animals. So check out the website walkforfarmanimals.org and find a walk in your area. And thank you so much for your support. We hope to see you at a walk.